I'm Bob Adams with Turkey Hill Experience here in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. And we opened here in 2011 as a way to allow our fans to become more aware of Turkey Hill and all of its wonderful products. When folks visit here, they can create their own virtual ice cream flavor. They can create a package for that flavor, and then they can make a commercial to market their product. When they're all finished with that, they can go down to our ice cream taste lab where they can create their very own ice cream of their own to enjoy. We also have a tea discovery class where they can travel the world of tea and know about all the different types of tea from around the world. And there's also a section here that talks about our history, how we got started as a home milk delivery company, and why Turkey Hill makes such great products every single day. The building that we're in was actually a silk mill dating back to the late 1800s. We've seen visitors from all over the United States and international. Turkey Hill is known primarily for its wonderful ice cream and iced tea products. We also have other lemonades, we have milk that we produce, so it's really a variety of things, but primarily ice cream and iced tea. Known still mostly in the eastern part of the country, but we're trying to grow slowly out towards the other parts of the country. Ice cream is pretty well spread out through most of the country at this point, a few little exceptions, but for the most part we're getting out there more and more. Here at the Turkey Hill Experience, we like to say we have something for all ages. We've got interactives that are good for children to senior citizens. This past summer, we welcomed our 1 millionth visitor, and we're now really just looking forward to hosting more and more visitors.